Hi friends, I am Tilak and you're watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're going to see how to use the pageless document in your WPS Office document. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video.
So how to create a pageless document on your WPS Office writer. So actually it's easy. If you are going to the page layout, you can see a lot of options here. But this is called a page options. You can change the orientation or size like that. But you just need a pageless document which you can get it on the downside. You can see there's a lot of icons here for minusing, plusing, and here you can see a option called web view like this. Just click this. So now it's become a pageless document. You can see there is no boundaries between the lines or paragraph before we have, but now it doesn't have any boundaries. So you can also download this, open with the pageless document, like pageless document. So this option helps you to view on pageless document on your WPS Office writer. I think this video helped you a lot. If it is really helped you a lot, like this video, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to click on subscribe button below. If you want more content about WPS Office writer, just follow this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.